Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Tors Cove, Newfoundland. Nestled along Newfoundland's picturesque Avalon Peninsula, Tors Cove is a charming coastal community with a rich history and stunning natural beauty. Located approximately 40 kilometers south of St. John's, this quaint village offers visitors a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Tors Cove has been a haven for fishermen since the late 17th century. Migratory English fishermen and planters were among the first to settle here year-round, drawn by the abundant cod stocks of Newfoundland's Grand Banks. Later, Irish immigrants added to the cultural tapestry of the community, contributing to its unique blend of traditions and customs. One of the standout features of Tors Cove is its proximity to the East Coast Trail, a renowned hiking route that stretches over 300 kilometers along Newfoundland's eastern coastline. The Tinker's Point Path, a 5-kilometer section of this trail, connects Tors Cove to the neighboring community of Mobile. This easy-rated hike offers gentle shorelines, sheltered woods, pebble beaches, and opportunities to spot seabirds and whales, especially near the Witless Bay Ecological Reserve. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history enthusiast, or someone seeking tranquility by the sea, Tors Cove offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and genuine Newfoundland hospitality. It's a place where the past and present harmoniously coexist, inviting visitors to become a part of its ongoing story.
Thanks for watching!